I'm going to demo the 8-in-1 electric cleaning brush for you. I have the bristle brush here that I'm going to use with the Zep shower cleaner that I have. Now the brush also comes with a handy dandy handle if you want to reach up high or reach down low without hurting your back, but today I'm just going to use it without the handle. As you can tell, my shower is very dirty, so it's a good experiment here. We'll just spray the cleaner, and we have a power button here, and it has 2 settings, fast and slow, and off. I'm going to use the fast. Here we go. I'm going to stop there. I'm going to wipe it down and also rinse it off, and we're going to see if there's any difference here. And there was a very minimal pressure that I applied when I was using the brush, just enough to kind of keep contact with the glass. Oh, I can definitely feel where the dirt is still in the glass. And if you can see down here, I can still see from an angle. There's definitely still dirt down there, and it looks pretty clean up here.